Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we have a very special walkthrough Wednesday today. Today I am with Ira Horn with Providence Homes, and Ira is going to be showing us a very spectacular, beautiful home. So Ira, please tell us where we're at.
Today we're in Reflections at our Ellaville Model home, and it's a special sneak preview because the Ellaville is going to be put on the market very shortly. So this is a little sneak take, and if anybody wants to jump in front of the line and grab themselves the last Ellaville in Nocatee, this is the one. So let's go see a beautiful
Okay,
house.
so excited.
Welcome in.
One of the prettiest models, and you guys are getting it at the first look.
This is what we call the gallery.
Wow, it feels like it with the floors.
Isn't this a beautiful space before you get into the house?
Oh my goodness.
And we're going to go right into the main body of the house where we have our award-winning kitchen. It is an executive chef kitchen with
Wow.
all kinds of fancy stuff. Cabinets in front of the island, that extra thick quartz, the stacked cabinets with lights and windows.
Beautiful. Love the tile work. I love that you guys did the two-tone cabinets.
Our designers
Such
tend
a
to get it
wide
right.
space in between the two cabinets.
Pretty much.
Sorry, Ira.
It's okay. Our designers do a great job every time. As you've heard me say, every house is individually appointed. And model homes, they usually take some chances. You like those corbels on that?
I do.
On that hood?
It's beautiful. It's so high end.
So this is your favorite hood? We've established that?
Yes.
And then all the trims and ceiling treatments. And this house, because it's a model home, has a pretty spectacular outdoor area as well.
Okay.
So check out this home site on preservation.
Wow.
With the summer kitchen and fire pit already in, and still plenty of room for a pool if anybody wants to
Absolutely.
expand.
It's a really
that
deep
way.
lot.
Yeah.
Gosh,
yeah.
this is perfect timing of year, at least, because you got your fire pit when it's getting a little bit cooler out. You can make some steaks or anything on the grill. This is beautiful and right on the preservation.
Kind of an entertainer's
Definitely.
house for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
This house has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, little under 3,200 square feet. This is the owner's suite, which everybody really seems to appreciate.
Beautiful. Gosh, yeah, you guys did so much ceiling work. It's incredible.
Thank you.
Love it. And all the wall work as well. Beautiful floors. We were talking about that before it started. One thing I have to point out as Carling is walking through this is this tile. I think it's very unique, very special. There's different veining in all of it. I just love it. This whole bathroom is just spectacular. And then, of course, you've got the tile work going all the way up to the ceiling here in this bathroom.
One of the great things about model homes are they come with all the accoutrements, the closet systems, the appliances, the light fixtures. Everything is already pre-done and included.
Going straight into the laundry room, which is so great if you were to purchase this home because you're so close to it. You don't have to go that far from your bedroom.
And coming out from the laundry, out back into the kitchen with our beverage center that you're seeing, that beautiful pantry, walk-in pantry over on the other side.
Awesome.
And back into the kitchen.
This is definitely an entertainer's home because you've got the kitchen and the living and the dining all in one space and all of these beautiful windows.
Now let's go back towards the front. I gave you kind of a bum's rush here. This is a really great study. It is large and in charge. Beautiful. I'm a little too loud to have a roommate in my office, but for those who can, this is certainly big enough to accommodate 2 folks.
Absolutely. Oh, it's huge. It's very deep. Love everything you've done in this. Of course, the finishes with the ceiling and the different things. Beautiful.
And this could be also purposed as a dining room or formal den. This suite right here at the drop zone is perfect for that parent or guest that is staying.
Perfect.
And that
great size room. And I love this bathroom. The tile work, again, is so beautiful and fun.
Okay, so before we started filming, Alexa was obsessed with this tile.
It's so pretty.
Just saying.
It's fun.
And there's more. Over at this wing of the house, there is a Jack and Jill bedroom and bath, 2 bedrooms and a bath. And the interesting thing about this space is, obviously, 2 kids can share a bath, but sometimes this lends itself to multi-generational living.
Absolutely.
So it could be a living area and a bedroom separated by this wall.
Yep.
I've seen doors added in here. It's usually done pre-construction when I get to see it, but it's certainly something that is an available option for the person who owns this home at some point. Certainly, our lives have gotten more complicated, and multi-generation is a real option for a lot of folks.
Absolutely. Definitely not lacking bedrooms here.
No, it's got a lot of rooms. And like all houses in Nocatee, the fronts tend to be fairly small. And then you open up the door, it's like Bugs Bunny's tent. You know, there's the Taj Mahal behind it. And last but not least, we'll go upstairs to our bonus room. This is the Ellaville with bonus.
Okay.
This particular one is appointed with 1 big bedroom area. Could be a living space. We have it staged for a living room space.
Perfect.
It's got a full bath and a big walk-in closet for storage. And of course, to the left, you have our famous Providence mechanical room, which is an attic that doesn't get hot because it is a non-vented attic. Foam at the roof deck, 6-inch walls that give you an as-built R21, and all of our new houses include a dehumidifier, which you can't see with the camera because it's behind that ducting. So on days like this that are moderate temperature, it keeps the air nice and fresh even when the air handler's not running.
That's great. You guys always do such a good job with this kind of stuff.
It is best of its class. That's the reason I came to Providence originally. And then right over here, Alexa, is bedroom number 5.
Wow.
So
you're right. This room could be many things. It could be, gosh, a guest suite.
Yeah.
If you've got a parent living with you or a teenager who wants their own area, because I love that there's an ensuite, and obviously you have the storage for the closet. So this is great.
The
great
child
size
with
room.
the best GPA.
Yes. They're the winner of this room.
For those of us with teenagers, you know, a little space, a little separation is not an undesirable characteristic.
Absolutely. Well, Ira, this home is beautiful. It looks even better in person, so you definitely want to come check it out. But please remind us where we are at and why we're seeing this home.
We are at the Ellaville Model at Reflections. This is the last Ellaville that Providence has in Nocatee. It's the last larger home that Providence has at Nocatee. If you'd like to take it off the market, please feel free to give me a call. Either call Providence and ask for Ira, or my direct line is 904-309-2292.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. This home is not going to last long, so you definitely want to come out here to Reflections and Nocatee. We hope you're having a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.